Let's see how to add an emoji in Canva. First, we open up a design, or in this case, we need to create a new one. Let's choose poster, portrait. Once you're on the design page, head to the left-hand panel and click on the Apps tab. Here, we need to search the Canva apps for emoji. Let's select this. After clicking on it, we are greeted with different arrays of emojis. Simply click on the emojis you want to add to your design. Just like that. It's as easy as that. Canva also gives us the option to change the color palette of our emojis. So let's change the body to brown. Now it's brown. In this case, let's change it to pink. Let's change this case. Let's change it to blue. We can also resize the emojis by dragging the corners, as well as rotate by clicking on this rotate button on the bottom and dragging to the left or right. If you want to add more emojis, just repeat the process and arrange them to fit your design however you like. And that's it. That's how you add emojis in Canva. See you soon!